Welcome to this video. So in this particular video we will learn if function and nested if function. Okay, so we will learn how it works, and the real example we will take, and we will learn these things. So the thing is, you need to practice it. You just get some dummy data, or you can create it from any other large language model like ChatGPT, Copilot. All these platforms are there. So there you can download, or you can create some data, multiple rows, multiple column you can create, and then you can practice. Okay, so in this video, so I have taken one small example, small data, dummy data I have taken. Here item code is there, price is there, actual price is there, and how the selling price, how much amount they sold, that things are there. So let me decrease the decimal. Okay, so here it is. So now the thing is, I want to know one thing, that how much is my profit. Suppose I bought one product like 50,000 rupees and I sold it like 60,000 rupees, and now I want to know like this way. I have 1,000, 1 lakh, or multiple data, lots of data are there. Okay, so I want to know whether I did the profit, whether I lost it, or I just want to know the status. So what I will do is, I can use the if function. So there I will get the status, whether I have profited or I have lost it. Okay, so now what I will do, equal if tab, or open parenthesis, I will press tab. Now it is saying a logical test. If what? If my buying price is, or if my selling price is greater than my buying price, then it is profit, and if it is not, then it is loss for me. You got the concept. Now you first you need to clear your concept, that how you want to get it. If, then the logical test if what? If my buying, in this particular video, if my selling price is greater than or equal, or greater than or equal, if my selling price is greater than equal my buying price, then it should be profit. Okay, and otherwise it will be a loss. Okay, so the first logical test I will select, manually I can do, otherwise I can press the left arrow. So if my selling price, my sold price is greater than equal my buying price, then again I will press left arrow. I will go C3 section. If this, then what? Then it will be comma, that if what it would be, if it is true, then it will be profit. Within quotation I will give it. Okay, close. Then again comma. Now it is saying value if false. If it is not profit, if it is not greater than equal, if it is less than that, then what should be the status? So I will say loss. Again quotation, loss for me. Now I will close the bracket. So see it very carefully. If my selling price, my sold price is greater than equal my buying price, then the status should be profit, otherwise it will be loss. So here you can see the formula of the function formula. If my selling price is greater than equal my buying price, then it should be profit. If it is not, then it should be loss. Now let's press enter and see how it works. As I have converted this range into a table, so automatically it will take everything. So see, here it is, I bought it 50,000 rupees, I sold it 40,990 rupees, so it is loss for me. Then again I bought some product like 33,240 rupees, I sold it 49,000, so it is profit for me. It is profit for me, profit. It is loss for me because it is 21,000 only. Then again 35,000 I bought, I sold it 39,000, it is profit. So I think you have got the idea how you can use this function, how you can use it. So if your logic should be clear, if this is if this happened, then what will happen? If true, what will happen? If false, what will happen? This is the concept. Okay, now this is the single if. Now we will learn nested if. Nested if means we can use multiple if in a single function. We can use multiple 1 2 3 4 5 6, like that way multiple condition we can add and we can get the result. Okay, so in the next sheet I will show you. Suppose here also the same thing, the same table I have taken. So here we will use two conditions. One condition is, see, the same condition I have used here, profit and loss. Here also I will use the profit and loss. At the same time I will add something like, see, there are a few price gap. It is blank, this is also blank. Again we can here also I can delete it, and this is blank. Okay, so there I will use two condition. If it is blank, I will write something. If it is greater than equal, then I will write something. If it is less than that amount, then I will write something. So there I will use two ifs. Actually it will be a nested if. So like this way what you can do is you can use 2 3 4 5 6 if you can use. So that would be a nested if, or if inside a if. Okay, so now the same thing we will do. Equal, the first thing I will do is if I will try to identify the blank rows only. So I will write if tab if selling price, if my selling price equal blank means I will just quotation. If my selling price is blank, then what? I will press comma. Then it is asking value if true. If it is blank, then what will be? So I will write check the price. Check the price. This command I want to write there. If my selling price is blank, if it is true, then what will happen? I want to write check the price, then comma. Now it is asking if false, what will happen? If false means some value is there. Okay, so now I will write another if again tab, again logical test. So what I will do is I will I wanted to select this D3, but it is already covered by the formula. So what I will do is I will click here and then I will press the up arrow. So I will select the D3 section. So if my selling price is greater than equal what? Greater than equal my buying price. So again I will select this row and then I will press up arrow. So it will select C3 only. Okay, so now if my selling price is greater than equal my buying price, then what will happen? Then it is asking value if true. If it is true, what will happen? I will write this profit for me. Profit, and then again I will press comma, and now it is asking value if it is false. Value if it is false. So I will write it is loss for me. Close. Then I have two open brackets, like open parenthesis 1 and 2. So I will close it twice. So now check once again. I have written that if my selling price, if the selling price is blank, if the price is blank, then I want to write something, that is please check the price, or please input some value, like this kind of message I can provide. If it is true, then write it. If it is false, what will happen? If it is false, that means there are some values, right? So if that values are greater than equal or less than anything, in your case it might be different based on your requirements. If my selling price is greater than equal or less than or equal only of my buying price, from my buying price, then if it is true, what will happen? I will write it is profit. If it is less than my selling price, if my buying price is less than my selling price, then it is a loss for me. So I will write that comment. So here it is, if my selling price is blank, the blank I have just put in a double quotation only. If my selling price is blank, then check the price, this command should be there. Then if false, what will happen? If false, that means if my selling price is greater than equal my buying price, then it should be profit, and if it is not, then it should be less. So now I will press enter. Now see how it works. So I have written the formula for one row, and it has taken automatically for the other rows, as I have converted this sheet into a table only. So it is always a better idea to convert any data into a table only. So see, now it is, see here, my buying price is 1075 rupees. I sold it 1386, so it is a profit for me. Again, my buying price is 2509 rupees. I sold it 2000 rupees. It is loss for me. And now here, see here, it is a blank page, nothing is there, so we don't know whether it is a profit or loss. So I wanted to put some comment on it. So it is, now check the price. Again, it is profit for me, it is profit for me. It is blank, that's why I check the price, then it is profit, then again it is check the price, and like this. Okay, again if I do the same thing, it is a dynamic, as I already several times I already told that if we convert any data into a table, it is a dynamic. Whatever I will change, it will reflect. So suppose here I am writing 3000. Now see, whenever I have written 3000, it has gone to profit only. Or suppose here I want to write like 7000, so again it will be loss for me. So it is a dynamic. Whenever I have converted that data into a table, so it is already dynamic. So whatever changes I will do, it will reflect to my formula section, okay, or function section. So I think you have got the idea how we can use if function and the nested if function. The first thing is you clear the if function. It is one clause only. If this, then what will happen, this kind of thing. And then the next thing is nested if. You can use several you can use multiple if function. 1 2 1 is okay, 2 3 4 5, like that kind of several times you can use the if function, and you can get the result out of it. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. You create your dummy data and you just practice it, and I'm sure you will get the benefit out of it. Okay, so thanks.